Hey YouTube, I'm Ross Stewart with Stewart Media Digital, and today I am here to give you 5 tips so you can start making money with your camera this month. So first, I'm working under the assumption that you have a DSLR or a mirrorless camera or something other than an iPhone or a point and shoot camera. So with that squared away, let's get into it. First, number 1, get good. Watch YouTube videos, hone your craft, ask your buddies, ask your dog, ask anybody you can to pose for you, to be a subject so you can test your lighting techniques, your editing style, whatever you want to shoot. Get good, hone your craft. I learned through YouTube. I went to college for a totally different thing, decided I didn't want to do that, and educated myself right here on YouTube, so you can too. Number 2, tell everyone, and I mean everybody you meet, people you used to know, tell everybody that you are a professional photographer. If that's something you're passionate about and something you want to do, you're no longer a server, you're no longer a corporate attorney, whatever it is, whatever your current job is, if you want to start making money in photography, you are a professional photographer. I really wish I had started doing that when I first started. I was still kind of sheepish about it, and I was telling people, oh, I do this other thing, but I want to get into photography. No, starting right now, you are a professional photographer. Tell everyone. If someone meets you, they're way more likely to hire you than some random person off of the internet. So if you tell people you're a professional photographer, anytime they're looking for photography, you're going to be the first person they call. Tell everyone. Number 3, there are a ton of lead generating websites like Thumbtack, Bark, Gig Salad. If you're interested in weddings, there's like Wedding Wire you can get on. There's a ton of these lead generating websites that can be really useful when you're just starting out, but they are pretty saturated, so you have to be special. Figure out something you can offer that most people can't or most people don't. For me, when I was getting started, I offered 24-hour turnaround on photos. That may seem nuts to you. I stay up really late anyway, so it wasn't that hard. It wasn't that big of a deal for me. That is still really tight turnaround, but I heard a bunch of people complain. I was asking people like, what would make you choose one photographer over another? And they said, turnaround time. I hate waiting a week or a month for my photos. It's the digital age, social media. I want them now. So I offer 24-hour turnaround, and a bunch of times I've heard people say they chose me because of that. That might not work for you, but the important thing is figure out something that makes you special. Number 4, use your existing social media or your personal connections to offer something special. A couple months ago in December, I really wanted to take pictures of animals in a holiday style. So I got on Facebook, I got on Instagram, I took a couple pictures of my dog. I'll show you right here. Her name is Annie. She's a 3-legged greyhound we rescued. I took these pictures of her, put them on social media, and offered $50 pet portraits. And that seems really cheap to some people maybe, but I was just looking to do it as sort of a passion project. But I made an extra $500 and I got to see a lot of good animals last holiday season. So that worked out really well for me. There's holidays all the time. We've got Valentine's Day coming up. Use your social network and offer Valentine's Day photos. At the time I'm shooting this, Valentine's Day is coming up. Then we got Easter, we got 4th of July. You can offer something special. Offer it for a discount if you're really just looking to get your foot in the door, and there's a good chance you will get some people interested. Step 5. This is sort of the culmination of all of these things. This is the next big step, and it's really start to go pro, start to look professional, build yourself a nice website. There's Squarespace, there's Wix. If you've got some good photos to put up, you can build it in one day. It's really not that hard, and it's fairly inexpensive. So there's Wix, there's Squarespace. Get on those things. Make an Instagram account just for your photography. Make a Facebook fan page just for your photography. Ask your friends, the people you already know, to follow those and start to build it up. All right, so those were my 5 tips for making money this month with photography. Go pro, do not wait. Start making money today. You absolutely can do it. So hopefully this was helpful to you guys. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.